German virtues spread to global markets. Volkslift combines the advantages of a long history of outstanding engineering skills in Germany with rapid growth and attractive surrounding of global elevator industry. Its outstanding products are provided to developing cities such as Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, Tehran, Jakarta, Bangkok, Beijing, and many more. Coming to China in 2003, Volkslift established its Chinese production base to continue its German traditions and virtues, expressed perfectly by Made in Germany. In its joint venture, Volkslift has accumulated most advanced technology resources, invested in R&D, enhanced the core competitiveness of the enterprise, and successfully developed and built up the 108 meters high test tower, including fast-speed elevator running 7 meters per second. In order to meet customized and lean product requirements, Volkslift invested in fully automated metal plate production lines imported from Europe and robotic automatic welding systems. As a result, the annual production capacity has a giant leap up to over 30,000 units. The high attention paid to product and quality certifications is confirmed by successfully achieving ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18000, CE, and many more. The wide Volkslift products range covers machine room elevator, machine room-less elevator, fast-speed elevator, panorama elevator, hospital elevator, home elevator, freight elevator, escalator, and moving walk. Volkslift service centers provide best after-sales services. Remote control systems enable transfer of operation and maintenance information to a control center in real time. Malfunction can be recognized before they lead to a stoppage, and thus safety is improved and costs are lowered. To support the goals of environmental protection, Volkslift provides power regeneration and power-saving components and functions. Powerful CPUs and real-time operating systems enable a wide range of functions and thus provide a powerful and flexible elevator control. Volkslift provided reliable products and services for outstanding projects such as UKE Hospital in Hamburg, Century House Modernization in Berlin, Sheraton Hotel in Guilin, Qinhuangdao High-Speed Railway Station, Guilin International Airport, Jining Wanxianghe, Red Star McLean, China Resources Vanguard, Sipture World One Mall in Jakarta, Best Western Hotel in Solo, Indonesia, Shopping Mall Bangkok. Volkslift engineers excavated deeply the possibilities of safety, efficiency, and comfort to create outstanding products and technical solutions. All the efforts have the only purpose to satisfy our valued customers and passengers. Volkslift's outstanding exhibition hall covers an area of 1,500 square meters. In a generous ambience, visitors enjoy the presentation of the company history and culture, components and designs of cabins, CLP and doors. To ensure the high security and lifetime standard, Volkslift intensively tests the components as presented in the exhibition. The whole core destination control lift express is Volkslift's state-of-the-art control system and has significantly improved the efficiency of building group control allocation. The outstanding performance of Volkslift is based on highly skilled and motivated employees living the company culture of teamwork, integrity, and dedication to high quality. Experience gained in over 10 years of Sino-German cooperation is used to serve the highest technical and quality level at best commercial conditions. Volkslift's daily aim is to combine the advantages of connecting continents, cultures, and economic zones for the benefit and safety of its valued customers and passengers. Volkslift invites you to join us in connecting the world and spreading German tradition and virtues to global markets.